In this video, we're gonna work on this downhill, no green to work with, tight lie, tricky little shot that we all seem to have all the time. Let's do it. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my 60-degree wedge, and my wedge is the Vokey SM7, and I have a 8 degrees of bounce, and it's the M grind, which I like this. It's a little grinded off the back edge, so I can open it up, and it lays a little flatter on the ground, so I can really clip that ball. But then your technique is gonna be critical here. We wanna make sure you get that down. So here's what I like to do. I like to have a lot of upper body speed and not any lower body motion. So what we're doing is when we're hitting a far shot, we want to get our body engaged, rotate. But here, I want no rotation. I want to use all upper body because I can swing a lot faster and hit it shorter, which creates more spin, more control for these short little shots. Let me show you. So what we want to do, we want to open up our stance, okay? We want to open up our feet and kind of squat down, like we're riding a horse a little bit. Because what it's going to do, it's going to quiet the lower body, and then we can swing our hands a lot faster. And that's what we want. We want to be able to swing our hands. Our body is going to swing fast. We get twice as much speed, same amount of distance as if we just went like little body. But now I have so much more speed, more spin, more stop. Okay, that's the shot. That's that short little, tricky little shot that gives so many of us so many problems. So remember, spread your legs, spread your feet, sit down like a horse, and swing with your shoulders. Try to get as much shoulder speed as possible. And I open the face of my 60-degree wedge quite a bit. So if you don't feel comfortable with that, then this is not the shot for you. But if you do, then just lay that thing open. But you gotta be careful, because if you have a club with a giant sole and the grind isn't grinded off, then it's going to be a little bit more challenging. So I use my M grind, which I like to lay open, and I can really get that, that club flat on that ground and then swing my shoulders really fast, get a nice, quick spinning, hopefully good shot. Anyways, give it a go, see if it works for you. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.